Hi everyone, welcome to the Knowledge Bites. I'm Deepika Singh, an e-learning specialist and subject matter expert. And now we will going to start our second module of our digital marketing course. So let's explore and then back. Okay. Now, first of all, please understand what is the search engine optimization. Search engine stands for search engine optimization. It is a set of practices aimed at improving your website's visibility and ranking on search engine results pages. Like what is a search engine? Actually, you must be searching for, you must have, we all use your search engine like Google and Bing on all these things. So like if suppose, what is the digital marketing? Like if I have a company and there is my product and someone is searching for my website, so they will put the things in it on the Google. Somehow if my company is a very big label, then obviously by putting the name in the company, like it is a company, the company name is Apple, then Apple, it will automatically come. And suppose if someone is looking for for a product of a refrigerator selling companies, or someone selling the good shoes, so then obviously the Google will display a list of companies. So this is basically called like what are the strategy through which the name, the link of our website will come at the first easily in these search engines. So this is a technique which we are going to learn in search engine optimization. So next, the purpose, the primary goal of the search engine optimization is to attract the organic, non-paid traffic, like non-paid traffic from search engines by making a website more relevant and attractive to search engine algorithms. Actually, like Google is a search engine. It uses various algorithms to bring those websites in front of the users in their list, and on these lists the people search about that. So it is like the non-paid. Their non-paid is like we people are not paying anything to Google for displaying the things. They're just only using it as an internet service. So this is basically some our main objective is to attract the more organic traffic for our website, so that how much the people are going to visit our website, then how much then the level of the business can company able to get. So it, what is the full form of SEO? SEO is the full form of SEO is search engine organization, optimization. SEO means the process of improving your website to increase its visibility in Google, Microsoft Bing, and other search engines wherever people search for. And it helps in to optimize the marketing of the products you sell, services you provide, information on the topics in which you have a deep expertise or your information. So it helps in the better visibility your pages have in search results, the more likely you are to be found and clicked on. Ultimately, the goal of search engine optimization is to help and attract the website visitors who will become customers, clients, or an audience that keeps coming back. This is a one. So you have seen these. These are the basically basically the main search engines which are commonly used. The Google is on the top list, then there is a Bing, then there is Ask, Yahoo, AOL. So this is the basically definition which you can able to see the main definition of our search engine. So this is a basically it stands for search engine optimization, and it is a set of practices aimed for improving the website visibility and ranking on search engine results and page. Now we are going to learn about the importance of SEO. The first importance is the increased visibility. By using the techniques of SEO, we can able to achieve the higher rankings on SERP, which will lead to a greater visibility and more traffic. Actually, whenever we search on Google or any kind of search engine, the pages of related keywords come in the list, and according to that the customers used to visit those websites. So this is by using a proper techniques of SEO, we can able to achieve increased visibility of our websites. Then the second benefit is credibility and trust. Actually, these the websites, like if we have developed a very good keywords and we are using a very good optimization techniques of search engine, then we can able to achieve the credibility and trust of our customers. Like they can frequently visit our websites, they can visit our websites easily, and uh, lot of people without can able to come to our websites, and we can able to get a very good business for our company. Then the next benefit is cost effectiveness. Cost effectiveness is obviously we all know that the marketing on internet is far more cheap than traditional methods. So obviously by using the SEO we can able to achieve our goals in a less cost. So it is we can able to get our organic traffic free by making a proper techniques of our search engine optimization, and it is very cost effective marketing strategy. Then the last benefit is long-term benefits. Unlike paid advertising, the benefits of SEO can last long after initial optimization efforts. Actually, you know that we can able to get up, like if we are using traditional marketing methods, then we will get the customers only to that place where we have targeted. But when if we are putting our advertisement on on a Google search engine or somewhere else on digital marketing methods, then we can able to get a huge number of customers for our products and our services. Now, I was discussing about the keyword search. So keywords are the words or phrases that users type in the search engine to find the information. Like suppose I want to know about the various companies that are providing a very good headphone. So I will type the about the company selling headphone. So this is a keyword. So this is a keyword which search engine uses to present the relevant information, and that particular information is being collected with the help of URL, and every URL contains the keyword, or every information on the website contains some information, some keywords which it relates it, and that presents the information in your search engine, and through which we can able to go directly to that particular website. So it helps the search engines to understand the content of the web page. Then, so keywords are the words or phrases that users type in search engines to find information. Then the next is, now we will see a practical example of this. So this is basically like this. You can see we are using a search engine in which this is basically in a Google Ads. Google Ads, you can able to go there and you can able to see this thing. Here, whatever we have to find, and if we want to know the particular types of keywords that we should keep in our content, or something in our Google AdSense. So what we have to first of all find out whatever the information we want, we'll put it in our Google and search thing, and then we will find out the relevant information. So here we have put out farmhouse decor. So it will provide the visibility of the information, like how much this particular keyword is being used. It provides the complete analytics. If we will click on the Google Ads system, then we will able to get the complete information, like what kind of information is there. One of the very important source for you to find out the relevant keywords is Ubay Suggest. It provides the how much this particular keyword is being used on the Google platform or any kind of a search engine. Look, you can see like this is complete list of how the information of this particular keyword is being used. It is providing the average frequently users, keywords, and how much times this has been used. So with the help of the keywords which are mostly highly used, we can able to develop our URL and our content according to that. So this will going to help us a lot in getting the information. You can see these are the graphs. Like this is a old information I'm just presenting you, but I'm just showing you. You can do this thing. So over suggest provide the methods that will help you how to get a good keyword for your website or your content or your blog or something, which way you can able to give a complete information on this thing. So find out. Now moving further, we are going to learn about the keyword research tool. As you all know that we are using several keyword tools like Google Keyword Planner, SMER, HAP and MOST, and find the relevant keywords. So the first thing which we are going to learn about is what are the various keyword research tools we are available. Actually, what is a keyword? Actually, you have discussed before that you are making your site or you are making your content more reachable to your audience. You have to develop a keyword that a type of keyword that is basically mostly researched by the people, that is that have some sense, and in that series in which the users click on the Google or any other search engine to find the relevant information. So to set what type of keyword we should set up, there are several tools which are available. The first one is Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahref, Moz. You can just simply type these things, these words on the Google, and you can also use them. You can go to these sites directly and can able to get more information about these things. Now the next thing is competitor analysis. Like, what is a competitor analysis? A competitor analysis helps in identifying the keywords that competitors are ranking for and assessing their performance. Actually, with the help of competitor analysis, we can able to identify those keywords and those keywords which are highly used by our competitors, our competitive companies, and which are in huge demand. And according to these, we can develop our own keyword along with this. The next is long tail keywords. The long, as the word is so, as the word simply signifies, uh, the long tail keyword is help us to focus on the longer, more specific keyword phrases that are competitive but highly targeted. Actually, these things are very important because long-term keyword is like whenever we are planning a website or we have a certain kind of business, we have to focus on our long-term objectives. So according to that, we have to develop our keywords. So these techniques help us to develop a long-tail keywords for our product. Now moving further, we're going to learn about how to do a competitive analysis with the help of SEO. So here, the first step is to identify the competitors. Like if I have a company which is providing a service in 3D printing, so what my relevant competitors are using the keywords. So we have to first then according to that we will develop our marketing strategy. So this is thing which has been used similarly in the SEO also. So finding and analyzing the competitors who rank well for target keywords. So this is the first step which we will use in identifying the competitors with these sites which I have discussed previously. Then second is analyzing the competitor strategies. After finding out that these are our main competitors, then we have to focus on what are their strategies which they are using. Understanding what makes competitors successful, including their keywords, uh, keyword uses, content, and backlink profiles. So now the question is, how should we conduct SEO competitor analysis? The first step is to identify the target keywords. Okay, like suppose my company is 3D is in the printing of 3D, 3D in 3D printing something. So my keyword is the services for 3D printing. Then the second is benchmarking. We have to benchmark our keyword. like if it is being highly used or not, my keyword, the strategy, the keyword which the search word which I have developed is appropriate or not. So we have to do a benchmarking for it. Then we have to identify our competitors, like who are the competitors which are in this field, and they are there. And then we have to do the competitor SEO analysis. We have to go to this ad research, to this SEO research, and then we just click on the company name, and then we can able to find out what kind of keywords, what kind of strategies they are using on. Then we have to do competitor content analysis. What type of, like, there is something good in there, in them, something different, unique in our competitor. That's why they are an edge apart from us. So what are the things that are making them an edge apart, and which the things which we are losing out, which we are lacking, we have to focus on them. Then the step 6 is backlinking and interlinking with our work, our content, and then so that our customer can able to get a good information about our website. Now, this is a format of a SEO competitor analysis. This is an example. Suppose you can see here there is a name of competitor, competitor 1, competitor 2, competitor 3. Okay, this is basically a format which you have to develop in your Excel sheet, or whatever the sheet, or the Google sheet, whatever is convenient to you and whatever you are using. So here is top metrics, day 76, day 81, DA 60, BA 48, DA 70, BA 82. So this is something which you have to develop. So you can see the top keyword gaps: dog food, cat free, dog crates, cat food, dog toys, cat litter. Then Pet Plus, Cat Virus, Terrace Lifespan, and all these things. And similarly, here in day 70, you can see pet stories near me, dog grooming. So the same thing which is coming out. And like the top content available according to these researches, www.gv.com. These are the sites. If I'm seeing about Pet Plus, then these are the things. These are the sites which are providing. Then this thing is here. So like you see that pet stores near me, dog grooming, pet grooming near me. This complete information is available on petco.com. So this is a very strong competitor for us. Then similarly, top link gaps. Times.com, nighttimes.com, wnighttimes.com. These are the, like, if I'm seeing here, they have developed a separate content for this type of content information. Similarly, you can see here. So we have to develop our content according to that. This is the thing which we can able to get the information through this analysis. Now moving further, we are going to learn about on-page SEO. That is also termed as on-site SEO. What is this? This is optimizing the content on a website for users and search engines. Optimizing means we are optimizing our content, we are optimizing our website so that it has a had an instant reach, it has a very quick reach to the concerned customers. So you have to maintain 100% control over content and technical optimizations. That is not always true with offsite content. You can control links from other sites, or if platforms you rely on end up shutting down or making a major change. Suppose there are so much, you are seeing a lot of advertisements, lot of cookies on our websites. So we have to just control them. We have to stop them so that the information, the exact information, the relevant information reaches to our viewers. Then, but those activities are still a key part of SEO credibility of a success. Now, let me give you an example. Imagine SEO as a sports team. You need both a strong offense and defense to win, and you need fans, for example, an audience. Think of technical optimization as your defense, because as we are on a web platform, so obviously technical optimization is something which is very important, and it is our defense. Then content optimization as your offense, because information and content is the king. If our content and our information is not good, then the customers will not return to our website after visiting once. Then and offsite optimization as ways to attract, engage, and retain a loyal fan base. We have to advertise our website, our content, our company through various things. Then what you have to do is, how can we able to develop it? With the help of title tags and meta descriptions. So what is a title tag and meta description? These elements are critical for both search engines and users, as they provide a snapshot of the page's content. Actually, whenever you see these pages, like whenever you are clicking on a particular topic, you must have seen that whenever you just type something on Google, then in the pages, in the relevant pages, you get some information, little bit information, and according to that information, you become, yes, this is something good, and I'm opening this link. So this is something which is very important, that particular information should be as much good so that the user get attracted to our website. So the elements are very critical for search engines, and users, as they provide a snapshot of the page contents. So the best practices are crafting and compiling keyword-rich tags and meta descriptions that encourage the click. Means you have to write information, very important, in a very careful way, and it should be interesting also. Next is headers. You should put all the information in the proper headings, in the proper standard way of presenting the information. Like if we're giving the title at the header 1 position, then we are giving the information, then it comes to the heading section 2, and then sub information should come in heading 3, and so on. So there should be a proper sequence of presenting the information on your website, or your on any kind of web link you're giving in on it. So using the header tags to organize the content hierarchically, it helps in incorporating the keywords naturally into headers to improve the relevance. Next is URL structure. URL structure, you always know that what is a URL. URL is basically the address of your website. So developing your URL address carefully is also very critical in getting a very good reach to the customers. Your URL should be clean, descriptive URL that include target keywords. Your URL should itself present the information about the content of your website. I could say like this. Then what you should avoid in URL. Avoid unnecessary parameters or overly complex URL structure. Everything which is simple is more accessible and is more adopted. Then the next is image optimization. Every website should have images, because images plays a very important role in getting the express the information to our audiences. So it provides a descriptive, because at all the images provides descriptive, keyword rich layer alternative text for images to improve accessibility and SEO. The first thing is image should be relevant to the content, and these images should hold a keyword or text, alternative text for the images to improve its accessibility and its SEO while developing this. This is something very technical. Now we are going to learn about what is an off-page SEO. Off-page SEO are the several activities through which we can able to can able to develop our brand image on our digital platform. So this can be done with various facilities like link building, the process, link building with other websites, promoting our websites on other platforms. Then we can able to do promotional methods to summarize our SEO efforts. These include brand building and brand marketing through on the digital platforms. Then there are certain PR techniques. PR techniques means public relation techniques, by creating the videos, ebooks, research studies, podcasts, and guest posting. Then doing our promotion on social medias, and then listing the management, verifying listing management on various information, various websites which are providing the information on the products. We can include our website link in these things also. Then monitoring the ratings and reviews, which are given by the customers on various platforms. So these are things which through which we can able to develop a very good marketing method for our company. Then what is a backlink building? Backlink building is basically backlink is from linking our websites to our reputable site signals to the search engines that your content is very trustworthy and valuable. So this actually, like if a very good reputable influencer or reputable website is is giving an example of our website or is promoting our website, then automatically it helps in developing the trust among the customers and we can able to get our customers. Then the next is social signals. Social signals is promoting our website on various social platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and others like this. So these are the certain methods through which we can able to develop off-page SEO with the help of video submissions, articles, bookmarking, blogs posting, ebook creation, classified ads, type pre-submission, link building, and all these things, and several other things. Next important thing is to promote the technical features to consider while you are developing an SEO. The first is site speed. Fast loading sites provides a better user experience and are favored by the search engine sites. If your site is not opening quickly, then the customers is not going to visit next time. Then the next is uh, now again, how can we able to improve the speed of our website? By compressing the images, by leveraging the browser caching and using content delivery networks. Then next is these days most of the people search the information on their mobiles. So our mobile website should also be very friendly, should also be user friendly. What are the techniques which we can able to use through this? Implementing a responsive design, optimizing for mobile speed, and ensuring a good user experience in all devices. This is something very technical thing which we should say to the technical development team to focus on all these things. And the next is crawlability and indexing. The crawlability and indexing is like making sure the search engines can easily crawl and index your site's pages. Like because each and every site has their own search engine. This particular search engine should work properly. Then we should also use tools like to do all these things. There are some essential tools which you should also use for good practice in SEO. For keyword research, we should use Google Keyword Planner, SEMrush, Ahrefs, Boost. For on-page SEO, Yoast SEO for WordPress, Screaming Frog SEO Spider. Then for backlink analysis, we should use Ahrefs, Majestic, Mozlink, Explorer. Now, let's start with the quiz time. Now, the first question is, what does this SEO stand for? So, SEO stands for Search Engine and Optimization. Then, next question is, which of the following is the primary goal of SEO? The answer is attracting organic traffic from search engines. Now, what is a long tail keyword? So the answer is a specific multi-word phrase that is less competitive. Then, which tool is commonly used for keyword research? So the answer is Google Keyword Planner. Now, what is the purpose of meta descriptions? So the answer is to provide a brief summary of the page content. Now, moving further, next quiz. So now the next question is, what is a backlink? Now the answer is, it is a link from another site to your site. Now the next question is, why is mobile friendliness important for SEO? So the answer is, mobile friendly sites rank better on mobile searches because most of the people are using mobile phones these days. So smartphones, and these mobile sites are very important for the SEOs. Now, what does a sitemap do? Now, this lists the pages of a website to help search engines crawl and index them. Now the next question is, so these are some of the questions which are there for you all. So sorry, what is the role of the alt text in the image optimization? So its role is to provide a description of images for search engines and accessibility. So these are some of the questions for you all. So please stay tuned. Thank you everyone, and I hope so that you all have liked this site. And thank you very much. And we will study more on the next topics. So please be associated with me and give your feedback. Thank you very much. Happy learning.